Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to check sales of a Shopify store. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to check sales of a Shopify store using SimilarWeb tool. SimilarWeb will provide an overview of the website. Direct sales data is typically not available on SimilarWeb for individual e-commerce stores. Instead, you'll use traffic and engagement metrics as proxies to estimate potential sales. Go to Google and search SimilarWeb. Analyze this store. Copy URL. Use the search bar at the top to enter the URL of the Shopify store you want to analyze. SimilarWeb will provide an overview of the website. On the profile page, you'll see various metrics about the website's traffic. While SimilarWeb does not provide direct sales figures, you can infer sales trends based on traffic data. According to Thumbroll, if average conversion rate for e-commerce stores is particular niche is 2%, and then average order value is $100. You know, if the Shopify store has 10,000 monthly visitors, then you will estimate the sales as. SimilarWeb also allows you to see how the store ranks in its category and compare it with competitors. This can give you insights into the store's market position and potential sales performance relative to others. In this way, you just analysis the Shopify store sales idea. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.